Does Hostgator charge monthly or all at once? Hey guys, Brian with WP Cupid Blog, and in this video, I'm going to be going over if you can pay monthly with Hostgator or not. A common question I see being asked all around the world when it comes to Hostgator hosting is, does Hostgator charge monthly or all at once? In this video, I'm going to be answering that very question along with providing you with an exclusive 60% off promo code for Hostgator hosting and going over the Hostgator cost breakdown. So can you pay monthly with Hostgator? Hostgator does in fact let you pay monthly. This can be a great way to pay if you are limited on cash or not sure if you want to invest a full amount of money towards a full year when it comes to hosting. Being able to pay web hosting month to month with Hostgator can be a really attractive thing for a lot of people if that is what you're looking for. I provided a link in the description to Hostgator. I have an exclusive up to 60% off promo code you can use to get a discount on your hosting. The promo code is Cupid60. Just put in the promo code at the enter coupon code at checkout like you see here. You will see the farther out you purchase your hosting for, the bigger the discount you will get. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link and I receive a commission which helps support this channel and helps us put out more WordPress tutorial videos on a regular basis. Hostgator is one of my favorite web hosting providers. In fact, my blog is run on Hostgator hosting. It's actually on the Hostgator cloud hosting plan, and I couldn't be happier with the hosting service and customer service I receive from Hostgator. One of the great things that I love about Hostgator is that they offer a 45-day money-back guarantee, so if you're unhappy with their service, you can cancel without worry. If you're thinking about using Hostgator for your site's hosting needs, I highly recommend you go with them. You can get Hostgator hosting for as low as $275 a month, depending on the length of time you purchase your hosting for. If you pay for your Hostgator hosting month to month, the maximum discount you will get is 20% off the regular pricing for the Hostgator monthly pricing. Use promo code Cupid60 at checkout under the enter a coupon code section of the checkout page. There will be a promo code already entered in. Replace it with Cupid60 to get the maximum monthly Hostgator hosting discount. Instead of paying $10.95 a month, you will be paying $8.76 a month if you decide to pay month to month with Hostgator hosting. How much does it cost to get Hostgator? I'm going to break down the cost of Hostgator so you can see what their pricing plans cost and see how affordable their hosting cost. Hostgator offers 3 different plans consisting of a hatchling plan, baby plan, and a business plan. You will see the hatchling plan, you get hosting for as low as $275 a month. The baby plan, you get hosting for as low as $395 a month, and the business plan you get hosting for as low as $595 a month. The plan I personally have is the baby plan because I have more than one website. The hatchling plan can be a great option if you have one website. In the future, if you plan on starting another site, you can always scale up when you need to. The baby plan consists of unlimited sites, so you can host more than one website if you have multiple sites. The business plan comes with unlimited websites along with services such as a free positive SSL, free dedicated IP, and free VoIP phone service. Here's a Hostgator cost breakdown. You will see you can get hosting for as low as $275 a month for the hatchling plan, $395 a month for the baby plan, and $595 a month for the business plan. Click the link in the description to get started with Hostgator hosting today. Don't forget to put in the Hostgator promo code Cupid60 to get your hosting for up to 60% off, or if you go with the monthly Hostgator hosting, you will get a 20% off discount. Alright guys, thanks for watching. That is my Does Hostgator Charge monthly or all at once tutorial video. Give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more WordPress tutorial videos.